California's effort to issue driver's licenses to more than 1 million undocumented immigrants is off to a fast start.
Yeah, about 40,000 licenses have been issued in the first month alone.
But the crush of new AB 60 applicants has led to even longer lines at some DMV locations. And the flow of new licenses is not expected to slow down anytime soon. CBS 2's Amy Johnson spoke with one undocumented immigrant about what the new license means to him.
I'm happy.
36-year-old William Garcia is happy about this, his new AB 60 driver's license. He is one of the 57,000 undocumented immigrants to have been issued a license since the bill went into effect at the start of 2015.
Me siento más seguro.
He says he feels more secure as a person, more tranquil, more humble because he knows what the rules are regarding driving an automobile. Garcia came to the LA area from Guatemala 15 years ago. He works as an auto mechanic, but always felt nervous driving the cars he repaired.
Me sentía nervioso.
He says he would feel nervous before when he drove the cars, and now he doesn't. He says he feels secure now that he has his driver's license.
Better life for him.
Luis Balsas is a family friend of more than a decade. He remembers getting a special call from Garcia last month.
He called me, hey, Luis, I got my license, I passed the test.
I asked Garcia if he was proud of the new license.
No orgulloso porque.
He said he didn't feel proud because pride is not good. He said he feels satisfied and happy for having obtained it.
It's good.
It's expected that over the next 3 years, some 1.5 million people will apply for the special AB 60 driver's licenses. In Silver Lake, Amy Johnson, CBS 2 News.